Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to decorate Finch Home. Finch is a self-care and productivity app that helps you build positive daily habits through the simple goals, reflection and mindful activities. And as you complete tasks, you earn rewards that allow your Finch pet to grow, explore and customize its environment. And one of the most enjoyable features in the Finch app is decorating a Finch home, also known as the treehouse. And in this video you'll learn how to decorate your Finch home step by step. First, make sure you open to your Finch app and make sure to log into your account, and on the home screen you will see your Finch pet standing inside its treehouse. And once you reach into this dashboard, on the bottom you could see there's an option for the shop. Select to the shop and here go to the furniture just beside the outfit, and this will take you to the home decoration section where you can customize a Finch living space. You can simply select any of the items and you can buy it as well, and after buying it you can simply go back to your Finch house. Some items allow you to change the overall look or theme of your Finch home. Try mixing different furniture styles and colors to create a cozy and personalized treehouse for your Finch. And once you're satisfied with the decoration, simply exit to this treehouse editor. Your changes are saved automatically and your Finch will enjoy its newly decorated home. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.